Hello everybody, today I'm at Big C supermarket in Ratchadamri, the biggest one. I got to show you guys what to buy if you are tourists to bring back to your country. So in front of me, surprisingly trash bag. But they have the different scents, orange, strawberry, apple, rose, lavender, jasmine. So it's very special. So let's move to the next item. So just opposite from the trash bag area, along this stretch is the Souvenir of Thailand. You can try the different snacks. If you buy from here, choose one. Nobody fight with you, no. You can take your own time. But if you go level 1, right, it's very crowded. But level 1 had the mini size one. This one is quite normal and big size. So the first thing I got introduced with the biscuit. It's actually very crunchy and very fragrant biscuit. And after that, there are different flavors of the same company, hot and spicy, and then this one sweet and spicy. Okay, the next thing I introduced is the squid snack. This is a travel pack of 12 bento, hot and spicy. If it's your first time eating, you'll find it sweet, hot and spicy. But I've eaten this for almost 10 times, I find it's normal. So there are different kind of spiciness level. There's yellow one, the orange one, and the red one. Ultimate is the green one, which unfortunately is not here. And if you buy more packet, it's cheaper. So this is the jumbo one. Jumbo pack. Just now that one is the travel pack. Now the next snack introduced will be the Koke. The brand is Kohke, Koke, peanut snacks and more. So let's take a look. The red one is a peanut barbecue flavor, and there's another one, peanut coconut cream flavor. The red one is slightly more, it's better taste, in my opinion, BBQ one. And not only that, right, they have their own chicken. Peanut chicken flavor, the green one. This one can last you a long time. That one you have to eat within 1 or 2 times, but this one can last you maybe 5 times, depending how much you eat. Peanuts coffee some more. And I think the taste will be fresher if you buy all these. The canned one, because it will last longer. This one, of course you say it can reseal, right? But the taste not as strong as the one the can. Just like you buy a Coke, you buy the canned Coke, it tastes much better than a bottle Coke, right? It's same theory. Alright, the next snack will be the Tauge Noi grilled seaweed. Actually, I recommend the jumbo pack. It's better and more crunchy. If you want, you can try the sample first. Roasted seaweed garlic flavor of 8 for 69 baht. I think it's quite reasonable. 69 baht is less than $3 Singapore. Then for divided by 8, one is like about less than 40 cents. So you can try it out. There's another one here. Original Japanese sauce flavor. So I think original flavor, and this one again garlic. You can try it. The next style to introduce to everyone will be the PRETZ snack. It's a bit like the the Pocky, but it's another brand. So the different flavor, Tom Kha Kai, Tom Yam Goong, the orange one, as well as the the lab and the corn. 4 flavors to try. The next one will be a kind of drink, blackcurrant and vitamin C. This is nice. If you love dried fruit, you should come here. Durian, Monton, 150 baht. 4 packs, and then jackfruit. All this, and we have mango, rambutan, and mango sin as well. It's always good to bring home a piece of Thailand souvenir back home, and here there are many pouches and bags. You can choose. You can buy for your mom or something, your girlfriend, your wife, as a bucket hat as well. So the prices is here. So 95 bucks onward to 820 baht. I think still okay. If you want something cheaper, you can go to other places to buy. But here you have the comfort of the aircon and centrally located supermarket. The next item is recommend the super sharp cutting edge knife. 699 baht. Because it's very sharp and it's stainless. If you want something like cheaper, you can buy the green box one. 399 baht. There are 5 sizes and 5 knives. I think it's illegal. I bought a few sets before. I brought back to Singapore. No problem, no issue with the custom. But if you buy too many, then you don't need to declare. This item will be the many variety of shoes right here, different sizes, different colors. It's good quality, it's anti-slip one. You look at the behind. You won't easily slip on the floor one. And for children, men and ladies as well. And then if you like some handcrafted products from Thailand, right, you can actually come here and buy. But the price a bit high lah. All these like related to the Buddhism stuff, but very beautiful. About 3,000 to 6,000 baht. Every time I go down this escalator, I feel that I'm in a very big market. It's not supermarket anymore. It becomes like, I don't know how to describe it. It's too many people here and so many products here. It's a hyper kind of market. Hyper supermarket and super big. It should be called super big C market, you know, not just big C, because it has over maybe 10,000 products. Seriously, from beauty to fresh fruit, confectionery and groceries. Okay, the next product introduced with the mandarin soap is very frequent, and I'm gonna buy one. I heard the mixed reviews. I mean, good reviews by 45 baht. It's worth it. If you're easily visited by mosquito, you can try this. Their own, I mean, their mosquito repellent made by Thailand. It's 69 baht. It's a spray one. The different flavors, there's the orange and the green one. The next product is the snake brand cooling mist. You know, in Bangkok it's hot, right? You just spray the face and the body is good. There's a cooling powder as well and body spray. More snacks introduced to this guy. Coconut crispy roll. There's original one chocolate flavor, mango and durian. And there's a smaller version as well. Let me introduce my favorite potato snack in Bangkok, Thailand with this one, called the Devil. I've already eaten 6 packets since I bought it last week. Every day I eat one packet. But inside it's not a big, it's not a lot. If you want more, you can buy the medium size or the big size one. Next will be the banana flavor banana cakes. It's very sweet and very soft. This one is the 4-piece one. This one is 8-piece one. 8-piece is more budget, 220 baht. There are different flavors, durian and mango as well. Okay, recommend this Lay potato chip. I call Min Kam Rose. Kind of herbal flavor. I don't think your country has it, right? And the other flavors, salted egg as well, one of my favorite as well. And yeah, check it out, man. And for travelers, we like something small, right? So travel size shampoo. Look at this, Sunsilk. And we have Rejoice, we have Panting, so many. It's 20 baht only, no. Seriously. So light. Okay, salted egg. Making me is not bad. Okay, wow, this tomato snack, man, is only 52 baht. For how many packs? How many? Seriously. 12 packs, no.